Today the nature surfers learned about macroinvertebrates. And the air temperature is 26.6 degrees Celsius. The water temperature was 25.1 Celsius and the turbidity was 59.0 NTU.
We took a while to look at the vegetation around the pond. So Maya, what are you doing right now?
I am finding little critters in the water.
Oh really? That's so cool. Why are you doing that?
I'm doing that to investigate under the microscope and look at it really closely.
Wow, that's awesome.
In the flowing water, the air temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and the water temperature was 23.3 degrees Celsius. In addition, the turbidity was 65.3 in NTU.
Whoa, this thing's cool! As you can see in this video, this is the area where we search for critters. In the flowing water, we discovered 3 dragonfly nymphs, 1 alderfly, 1 midge larva, and 1 crayfish. In the non-flowing pond, we found 1 stonefly nymph, 4 gill snails, 10 damselfly nymphs, about 25 scuds, 2 leeches, and 2 copepods.
Guess what I found in the stagnant water?
I'm a clam.
Look what I found in the flowing water.
I am a dragonfly nymph. I'm a crawdad. I'm a stonefly.
This concludes that the macros in the polluted pond can tolerate it better because it is stagnant water.